So okay, today's video shows how to use computer without this keyboard. That is, without using a keyboard, you can use the computer. And for this, you must simply press the Windows key, Control key, and O key in your keyboard. This is the Windows. This is the Windows key. This is the Control key, and this is the O key. So if we press these three keys, the Windows key, Control key, and this one, that is the O key, the three keys together, then you can see that now the on-screen keyboard have been arrived. Now you can, by using your mouse without this physical keyboard, you can type anything using this on-screen keyboard. I will simply show you by opening the notepad, and as I just simply type here S U B S. Okay, there is subscribe. Like this, you must type anything, and if you want to turn the caps lock on, then also you can turn the caps lock on, or whatever you want that available here. This is the on-screen keyboard, and have the option to go to page up, down, etc. And if you want to rename the folder also, anything is possible by this on-screen keyboard. So the subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. So remember, in order to use the computer without the keyboard, you must press the Windows key, Control key, and O key. Must press the three keys at the same time: Windows key, Control key, and O key. You must press the three keys at the same time itself. And if you wish to turn off the on-screen keyboard, simply close the window. So one more method is there by pressing the Windows key and U key. So this is the Windows key and this is the U key, and if I press the Windows key and U key at the same time, then a display screen have been arrived here, and here you must see at the bottom there is an option called keyboard interaction. You can see the keyboard and use your device with the physical keyboard, and if you must toggle this to on, then you can see that this on-screen keyboard have been arrived here. And if you want to turn this off, you can off this. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. This is Rosenthal.